Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy and sell on Crypto.com exchange. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To get started, you need to create an account on the Crypto.com website or mobile app. First, go to the Crypto.com website or download the mobile app. Then click on Sign Up and follow the registration process. You will be required to provide some personal information and verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account and comply with regulatory requirements. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using various payment methods such as bank transfer, credit card, or other cryptocurrencies. To do this, go to the Account section, click on Deposit, and select your preferred payment method. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Now that you have funds in your account, you can start buying cryptocurrencies. To do this, go to the Trading section, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can also set a limit order to buy at a specific price. To sell a cryptocurrency, follow the same process, but select the sell option instead of buy. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the sale. It is also important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile. So it is essential to do your research and set a realistic price for your sale. In addition to buying and selling, Crypto.com also offers other features such as staking, lending, and a crypto credit card. These features allow you to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies, borrow funds, and spend your cryptocurrencies in everyday life. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to enable two-factor authentication, use a strong password, and keep your account information up to date. It is also important to stay informed about market trends and news to make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, buying and selling on Crypto.com exchange is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start trading cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com and take advantage of the various features and benefits the platform has to offer. Remember to always prioritize security and do your research before making any investment decisions.